1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on students' progress. We also cover syllabus as per as your school examination schedule, and we also handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday where you can win up till rupees 1 lakh. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So students, those who are new, book a free trial class today. Also subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'm teaching you fractions. This is the fourth part of fractions. So good morning everyone. I can see there are few students. So Naga Deepak M is there. Can you comment your real name if it is the same name? Comment the same name again. Good morning. What about the other students? Can you comment your name, guys? I would like to know your names who all are attending my class today. So objectives of today's class is simplification of a fractional expression using BODMAS rule, and we will solve some word problems. So भाई आज मजा आने वाला है क्योंकि हम सीखने वाले हैं आज BODMAS. Okay, we are going to solve fractional expression using BODMAS rule. Okay, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, you may see this a lot of questions on Instagram or Facebook or in YouTube. Try to solve this. Only 99% of you will solve this. Genius will solve this. ऐसे सारे problems आज solve करने वाले हैं हम. Are you guys ready? Okay, so let us start our today's class. So, do you remember what we discussed in the previous class? We discussed how to add fractions, how to subtract fractions. Okay, so different types of fractions and all these things we learned. Okay, so let us learn this. So Arjun weight is 40 kg. His sister's Ravita's weight is 3/4 of Arjun's weight. How much is Ravita's weight? Okay, so see you. Ravita's weight is what? Ravita's weight is 3/4 of Arjun. Okay, so Ravita's weight, let R be Ravita's weight in kilograms. So Ravita's weight is 3/4 weight of Arjun. How much is Arjun weight? Arjun weight is 40 kg. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. Okay, so 10 into 3 is 30. So 30 kilograms. I've seen students, you don't write this unit. It is compulsory. It is important. Write this unit, otherwise you have a chance of losing a mark. So 30 kgs is the answer. Okay, yes. Moving on to the next question. Okay, do you know what signs are this? This is a addition sign, this is a subtraction sign, this is a multiplication sign, and this is a division sign. Yes, we know that. So these are called as mathematical operations. Okay, so Rahul and Shivani are two friends. They both try to solve this question. Okay, so can you help them in solving this question? How to approach this question? Okay, so yes. So Rahul solves. See here, Rahul solves like this. He multiplies this first, which is 7 by 9 into 11 by 9. He gets 77 by 45. He does this, he divides this, and he adds 2. He got this. Okay. And whereas Shivani, what she does is she adds this first. Okay. So 15 2s are 30. What she does is like this. 2 is there. Okay. Add 8 by 15 plus 2. Okay, how to make the denominator same? Multiply by 15 divided by 15. 15 2s are 30. So 30 plus 8 is 38 by 15. Then she divides this. Okay, then she multiplies this and she got 6.7. Now, whom do you think have solved the answer right? Think for a while and tell me this answer. Take some time and let me know the answer. Okay, so yes, so are this method right? We need to solve them. Yes, you are right. So this is not the right method to solve this. We need to solve them using the BODMAS rules. Okay, solve brackets first, then divisions, then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. But which of them solved it correctly? Can you guess? Okay, to solve such questions, we need to follow a general rule known as BODMAS rule. Okay, where B stands for brackets, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction, guys. So solve them using the BODMAS rule, then only you will get the right answer. We solve the following questions of this sequence of operators: bracket, order. Okay, order or power. So x square, x cube, 3 square, 3 cube. These are order. And division you know, multiplication you know, addition you know, subtractions you know. What are brackets? So brackets are symbols. Brackets are usually to suggest that certain things are together or separated. Okay, so this is what brackets suggest. Different types of brackets. Okay, so parentheses or round brackets. Okay, square brackets or simply known as brackets, braces or curly brackets, trigons or angle bracket. Okay, so this is the order which you need to solve. Give first preference to round brackets, then square brackets, then curly brackets, then angle brackets. Yes. So see here, this is how you need to solve. Okay, the first preference is for round brackets, then curl brackets and square brackets. And there is also a symbol, okay, dash. So this is called as after parenthesis. Okay, this symbol you need to solve first. Give first preference to dash, then round brackets, curl brackets, then square brackets. Okay, this is the preference which you need to give guys when it is the case of brackets. Okay, so this is a interesting fact. Year isn't 365 days, it is 365 point some days. That is why we have a leap year every 4 years. Okay, so what is the meaning of using of infractions? Okay, using of between two fractions means multiplication. For example, 2/7 of 5 means what? We need to multiply 2 by 7 times 5, which is 10 by 7. How of is different from multiplication? While solving fractions, of is solved before divisions, whereas multiplication is solved after division according to BODMAS rules. Okay, if we are using of, solve before division, And if we are using multiplication, solve after multiplication, after division. So 3 by 4 of 8 into 2 by 3 by 9. So of, okay, solve it first before dividing. So 3 by 4 of 8 means 3/4 into 8, which is 6. Okay, solve that first, then divide this by 9 and then do the multiplication. This is what they are saying. Okay, see here, first we solve this. 3 by 4 into 8 is 6. 6 into 2 by 3 divided by 9. Okay, now we will solve the division and then the multiplication. So fraction divided by number, how I have told you to solve in the last class, how this can be solved. So 6 into 2 by 3 divided by 9 means it will be 1 by 9. Okay, now solve this. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 times 2 is 4, so it is 4 by 9. This is how we solve it. Okay, so moving on to the next problem, guys. Let us solve this. 2 minus 1 by 3 bracket this. Okay, so according to BODMAS rule, first let us solve the bracket. Okay, so 2 minus 1 by 3. Take the LCM of 1 and 3. So it is 3. So multiply this by 3. Multiply this also by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 divided by the common denominator 3. And write everything else same. Okay. Now 6 minus 1 is 5 by 3. Solve the first thing in the bracket. Now since we have solved it, remove the bracket. Now you will get like this. So this into this into this into off. See, we have off. What I have said, off, if off is written, solve it before the division. 3 by 7 of 5 by 8 means what? 3 by 7 into 5 by 8. Can we simplify this? No, we cannot simplify. So 5 3s are 15, 7 8s are 56. So 15 by 56 is what we are going to get. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, okay, we have a new student here, Kavyart Kushik. So is your name Kavyart Kushik? Welcome to Swiflearn. How are you today? Can you comment your real name? Is it Kavyart Kaushik or something else? So yes, also tell me in which standard are you studying in. So we are solving some problems on BODMAS today. Yes. So continuing this according to the BODMAS rule. Okay, first solve the division. So divide by this means you can write multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. So 56 by 15, I have taken the reciprocal and I have written the multiplication sign. Now solve all these things because this are all are multiplication. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Right? Can I solve? Can I divide by 3? No, I cannot. So what will be this? 14 times 2 is 28. 15 times 3 is 45. So 5 by 3 plus 28 by 45. Okay. Now add them. Take LCM. LCM of 45 and 3 is 45. See here. 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Now we don't have any common numbers. So 15 into 3 into 1 is 45. So make this is 3 now, make this 45. Multiply by 15, 15 3s are 45. 15 5s are 75. We got 75 plus 28 by 45. Okay, they have written here wrong. It is 28. Okay. So 75 plus 28, how much is this? Add them. We get 5 plus 8 is 13 and this is 10. So 103 by 45 is the answer. This is how we solve it, guys. Understood? Do you have any doubts? If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Or let us continue with the next problem. Let us solve this. 2 plus 2 by 3 into this into this into this. So what is the first thing which we need to solve? The first thing, solve the brackets. So 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. Okay. Now, this is a mixed fraction. Let us convert this. There is no harm in converting this in improper fraction. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 4 divided by 5 by 6 into 5 by. Now, the next thing which you need to solve is the division part. Solve this, guys. 9 by 4 into 6 by 5 into 5 by 12 into 4 by 3. See, all of them are multiplication. You can solve it. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So in the numerator we have 1 into 3 into 1 into 1, which is 3. In the denominator we are having 1 into 1 into 1 into 2, which is 3 by 2. Is it a mixed fraction? Is it an improper fraction or a proper fraction? Yes, it is improper fraction. Convert this into mixed fraction, you get 1 integer 1 by 2. This is how we solve this. Okay, so those who are new here, let us solve the next problem. Okay, this is based on BODMAS rules. I hope you like BODMAS. You can see BODMAS questions on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and all. Solve this. Okay, 99% of you can't solve this. Only 1% genius can solve this. ऐसे सब आते हैं Instagram में, Facebook में. तो करके दिखाओ भाई. Only 1% of you can solve this. Yes, solve this. The first thing which you need to do is the division part, then the multiplication part, then the addition part. So 2 by 9 into 6 by 7, okay, divided by 7a, so it will be 7 by 6, and the remaining thing as it is, write the remaining thing as it is. 5 by 6 into 2 by 9 plus this thing. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so 1 times 7 is 7, 9 threes are 27. So what we get, guys? We get 7 by 27. I'm going to erase here only and write because I don't have space. So 7 by 27. Solve the multiplication part first. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 1 into 5 is 5, 9 threes are 27. So we have 5 by 27. Now 5 by 27. Add them, guys, now. 5 plus 7, how much is that? 5 plus 7 is 12. So answer is 12 by 27. That is the right answer. Can you simplify it? No, we cannot simplify. Oh yes, we can simplify by 3. Yes, guys, you're back. Okay, so see this fact. PED PEMDAS. This is used commonly in USA. It works same as BODMAS. Okay. PEMDAS acronym is parenthesis, which we call as bracket, exponents, powers and roots like 2 square, 3 cube, 4th square root, 3 cube root, like this. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, these are the same thing. Okay. So yes, so vinculum. Okay, there is also vinculum. So this is used. Okay, okay, and we should give first preference to that before the parenthesis. Yes, now see here. Okay, A horizontal line placed over an expression to show that everything below the line is one group. Okay, I hope you can see this. Should we start? Okay, let us start this again. Okay, so vernaculum is solved before the brackets. Okay, so before the brackets we give prefer to vernaculum, then the brackets, then the order, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, and so on. Now let's solve this. 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 9 minus 5 vernaculum. So always I've said give first preference to vernaculum before the brackets. So how much is 9 minus 5? I know this is minus. Preference is given after addition, after multiplication, but since there is a vernaculum, do this first. How much is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, now convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 4. Now how much is the LCM of 2 and 5? It is 10. So here there is 2 5s are 10, so 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, so 1 times 2 is 2, and 4 times 10 is this. Add all this, how much you get? We get 37 plus 40, which is 77 by 10. And if you want to convert in mixed fraction, you can convert, which is 7 integer 7 by 10. This is an mixed fraction. Yes. Or you can write the answer in decimals, which is 7.7. Yes. Now let us solve this thing. Okay. So the first thing what I've said, for which we should give first importance, we should give importance to the vernaculum. Okay. So 6 minus 4, how much is that? 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 9. Now solve the curl brackets. Solve the round brackets. 9 plus 2 is 11. If you remove the bracket, what are you going to get, students? You are going to get like this. Okay, so there is no harm in converting this in improper fraction. 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29 by 5 minus in square bracket 3 by 5 plus 15 minus, just now we have solved the round brackets. 9 plus 2 is 11, and this bracket is removed, the square bracket is there. Now solve everything inside the square bracket. Okay, so 15 minus 11, how much is that? 15 minus 11 is 4. So I am going to write here, guys, it is 4. Now 3 by 5 plus 4 by 1. Make the denominators same. Okay, so this is into 5, this is into 5. 4 times 5 is 20 by 5. So 20 plus 3 is 23 by 5. 29 by 5 minus 23 by 5. How much is that? That is 6 by 5. Or you can write it in mixed fraction, 1 integer 1 by 5. Or even you can write in decimals. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 1.2. That is the answer, guys. This is how we solve. Understood? First solve the vernaculum, then solve the round bracket, then square bracket, and then solve this. You get 1 integer 1 by 5. This one now. How to solve this? Okay. So first things first, let us solve this vernaculum. So 8 minus 4 is 4 plus, let us simplify this. 8 integer 1 by 2. 8 2 just 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 by 2. plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. Let's keep this square bracket as it is, divided by, okay, this is a round bracket. Let us simplify this mixed fractions. 8 4s are 32, plus 1 is 33 by 4, guys. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 5 is 13. 13 by 8, guys, plus 5 by 2. Whatever is there inside the round bracket, solve it. Whatever is there inside the square bracket, solve it, and then divide it. Okay, so see, what is the LCM here? LCM of 4, 8 and 2 is 8. So twice of 33 is 66 minus 13 plus 2 4s are 8. So 5 4s are 20. Okay, so by 8. Okay, now some students in exam, they write the bracket only above. Okay, that is not the right thing to write. Write the bracket completely, guys, like this. Divided by 7 plus 17. Okay, so 2 is the denominator, so take common denominators. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now solve this, guys, solve this brackets and divide. How to divide a fraction by fraction? Take the reciprocal of it, that's all. So 66 plus 20, 86. Okay, 86 minus 13 is 73. 73 by 8 divided by 22 by 4. This can be written as 73 by 8 into 4 by 22. Right? Now let us simplify this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Can I simplify this further? I can't see. So 73 times 1 is 73, 22 times 2 is 44. This is the answer, guys. This is how we simplify it. Okay. Okay. So this is a challenge of the day. Read this. I am 3-digit number. My tens digit is 5 more than ones digit. Okay. My 100 digit is 8 less than my tens digit. What number I am? Okay. Let me try. Let me give it a try. So there is a 3-digit number. Okay, so let us take this 3-digit number. Okay, my tens digit is 5 more than ones digit. Okay, so if I take this as XYZ, my tens digit Y is 5 more than ones digit. It is 5 plus X. Okay, and my 100 digit is 8 less than tens digit. So it is 5 plus x minus 8, which is x minus 3. Okay, so what number I am? Now if you put 1, if you put 3, it will become a negative number. So put 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4. Yes, this satisfies the condition. If I put 5, 5 plus 5, I'll get 10. So it is not possible. So x is equal to 4. So this is the answer. Okay. So we have done this right. So now let's solve some problems related to fractions. Okay. So Pinky has 48 peanuts. She gave 2/3 of this to the squirrels and 3/4 of the remaining to the crows. How many peanuts were left with her? So how many peanuts did Pinky initially have? Pinky initially had 48 peanuts, guys. Okay, so she gave 2/3 of this to the squirrel. How much? The total 2/3 she gave to the squirrel. Multiply by 2/3. Okay, so 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. 16 twos are 32. So out of 48 peanuts, she gave 32 for squirrels. So how much is remaining? Remaining is 48 minus 32. How much is that? 16. 16 peanuts are remaining. From the 16 peanuts, she gave 3/4 to the crows. Okay, so 3/4 of 16, how much is that? 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12. Out of 16 peanuts, 12 peanuts she gave to crow. So 16 minus 12, how much is that? 16 minus 12 is 4. So 4 peanuts are remaining with her. This is how we solve. Guys, can you try to solve the next one? If you can try to solve the next one, let me know this. Let me know the next answer for this. Yes, guys. Take your time, solve this. 2/3 liter of milk is distributed among 10 persons. How much milk would one person get? 2/3 milk is distributed among 10 persons. Okay. So how much milk would one person get? Okay. So 2 by 3 divided by 10. That's all. 2/3 liter is there. Distribute among 10. Distribute means divide. How to divide this? Take the reciprocal multiplier. That's all. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 1 by 15th part of the milk. Okay, 1 by 15th liter every person is getting. 1 by 15th liter. Understood, guys? Yes. Moving on to the next question. The distance between Mr. Sharma's house and his office is 68 kilometers. How much is the distance, guys? 68 kilometers. He daily travels 3/4 of the distance by train and rest by bus. Find the distance traveled by bus and train. Total distance traveled is 68 kilometers. Distance traveled by train is 3/4 of the total distance. So 68 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. So 17 into 3 is 51. So 51 kilometers he travels by train. And remaining 68 minus 51, how much is that? 17 kilometers he travels by bus. Understood, guys? Okay. This is how we solve this. So what have we learned today? So today we have learned simplifications of fractional expression. We have used BODMAS rules to solve various problems, and we have solved some word problems. Okay, so all these things we have learned in the today's class. So that's all for today, guys. Bye bye, have a nice day. Okay, soon we will be there.